Hello everyone, today we are going to cook stir-fried pork and carrot asparagus. Follow me, I will show you how to cook it. First, cut all the ingredients. Cut the carrots into small sections, equal sections, then cut into thin slices, just like this. Then cut the asparagus into equal sections. Then cut the pork belly into thin slices. Then let's cut the pork belly into thin slices. You can also use lean pork. Then cut coriander into equal sections. Let's make the sauce. 1 spoon of oyster sauce. 1 spoon of vinegar. 2 spoons of vinegar. 1 spoon of chicken powder. 2 spoons of light soy sauce. Add some water. Stir, mix it well. Add some cornstarch. Mix it well. You can pre-make the sauce. It can save our time, prevent we cook the food too rush. Add a little bit more water, mix it well. That's our ingredients: pork, coriander, sauce, carrot, asparagus, spicy pepper. First, stir-fry the pork. Add a little bit of salt. Stir-fry the pork until fragrant. Add a carrot. Stir fry 30 seconds. Add asparagus. Stir fry another 30 seconds. Add the pre-made sauce. Stir evenly. Cook about 2 minutes. Add coriander. Stir another 10 seconds. Add a chili pepper. I'm happy to share cooking videos with you every day. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. This dish is tasty, appetizing. You can try to cook for your family. Carrot, asparagus, pork, they are full of flavor. If you watch, follow my channel. Match with rice is very appetizing. Please subscribe. Thank you. Check out my other cooking videos. I wish you happy every day.